Thank you so much, Donnie and Belle. Ngayon, Boracay, ito lang inaabangan nating lahat. This marks our first stop on our road to Wakas. Let's unfold the official poster of Tayo sa Wakas! Grabe! Pasabog tong poster na to! Boracay, ano masasabi nyo? And since this is the very special first reveal, Donnie and Belle, your thoughts on the poster? Ano ba?
Bakit may Emilio Dais ka? Hindi mo ba nasabi? Part ka, bro.
Pero, I guess this is the best time to announce.
Part si Emilio sa movie namin, by the way.
I will be part of the Don Bell movie. Thank you, super excited.
Siguro what we can say about the poster, I mean, kita nyo naman, siguro yun na, ready na lang yung sarili nyo for emotions, lots and lots of emotions. And I would say after watching this film, siguro, I hope you find yourself too. I hope you find yourselves growing and healing and coming loving lahat mararamdaman nyo. So, handa kayo sa sarili nyo at mga puso.
Yeah. Yun lang yun kasi I think it will speak for itself for now. Abangan nyo na lang yung next na mangyayari. But just get ready to fall in love once again and fall in love with your partner and yourself.
Okay, you know what? I am so excited. Napipil ko na yung kilig, yung energy, pero yung sadness nandun rin. Kaya thank you so much, Donnie and Belle Mariano, for being here. Once again, palakpakan po natin, Donnie, pa kayo naman.
Maraming salamat, guys. Uy, support nyo naman yung movie namin, guys, ha? Alam ko meron yan dito sa Boracay. Manonood po ba kayo ng Tayo sa Wakas? Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat. Abangan nyo po ang next na mangyayari kung may teaser ba o may trailer. Tignan natin. Pero sa ngayon, ito na po muna ibibigay namin.
But before we finally move on to the movie screening, let's call on our Kapamilya performers. Let's welcome back Angela Ken and Jaren Garcia to join us here for a photo op here at the center.
Yes, of course, also joined by Belle Mariano and Donnie
Of course. Go, ready?
Okay, we have our official photographers here. Yes, okay.
Alright. In 3, 2, 1.
Baka may masok po kayo dyan.
Ate, kaya ka na yung request. Can we have a photo with everyone?